अभी मैं आपको क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी, आप उसमें आंसर करोगे, ठीक है? व्हाट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग यू नोटिस इन अ गर्ल? मतलब आपको क्या पसंद है, बताओ। नहीं पसंद है। आपको मेकअप करना पसंद है कि मेकअप नहीं पसंद है? नहीं पसंद है। ओके, उसको बाबू उससे खेलेगा। हाँ खेलेगा बाबू, लेकिन बाबू को पहले इधर आना पड़ेगा। What's up and welcome to a new video. For this video I am doing asking my guy friends uncomfortable question. Yes, again. So for this video I have my friend, drum roll please. Yes, it's not Mohit, it's Kushank. Yeah. Hi. So Kushank and I have been friends for how long?
15 years, yeah.
50 years or 15? 15 years. Okay, so we have been friends for like 15-16 years, literally grown up together. So a lot of you wanted me to do part 2 of this video. If you have not watched part 1, go click on the I button, you'll get the link of that video directly. And yeah, thank you for all the love on that video. It has crossed over 1.3 lakhs views. Amazing. Okay, let's begin with the questions now. Do looks matter?
Initially
it does, but not in the long run, yeah. Right? Okay, okay. I think this is with most guys. Do guys remember birthdays and anniversaries?
Not me.
Not you. But like
I do remember some birthday.
You remember my birthday?
Yeah, it's 3rd November.
Do guys get jealous of their girlfriend's guy best friend?
Personal experience bolo kya?
Personal experience bol rahe.
Okay, so okay. I know guys who do, but
not you.
Yeah.
Not you. Okay. What are some of the things guys like which girls do?
Give them space.
Give them space. Okay, and be funny.
Be funny, yeah.
Be funny. I know you would say this. So
funny is a very important factor, yeah.
Funny. Sense of humor is really important.
Yeah.
Guys look for that. Okay. Views on marriage? I think we are like too young.
Yeah. It's gonna change for sure. But as of right now, I don't see the point in it.
How long does it take to get ready for a date?
But I think 10-15 minutes is enough for guys. Yeah.
Like this is a clothes pen.
Yeah. I legit wear this on dates. I'm not making this up.
Girls, they take come se come like half an hour or something.
I know. That's why they get late.
What's one thing guys hate which girls do?
Being naka.
Naka. यहाँ पे सब बंगाली, यहाँ पे सब बंगाली नहीं है तो naka.
No, it's not about being Bengali.
I think naka is a Bengali word.
No. But you get the point. Me. Yeah, I don't like that.
Who's more important, girlfriend or friends?
Friends.
What are your thoughts on body hair?
Like on myself or
on girls?
I love a good French cut on a woman. Like that's a turn on, yeah.
Can you answer properly, please?
It's there. See, that's what. It's natural. It's there.
Do guys understand hints?
They do, but sometimes because we are guys, we need to be told properly because we get nervous about it.
Okay.
But we get hints.
Biggest turn off in a girl, like biggest turn off and biggest turn on.
Be honest about it, and you might not believe me, but genuinely the biggest turn on is her sense of humor, I guess. And the biggest turn off is when they invade in your personal space too much, too early.
What's the first thing you notice in a girl? You look at her hair or eyes or body overall, whatever.
If I'm asked to choose one thing, I do notice the eyes, yeah.
Eyes. Yeah. Do guys like when girls make the first move?
Yeah, why not?
आज तो तेरे साथ हुआ है कभी like any girl making?
मेरे साथ तो वही हुआ है, मैं खुद थोड़ी आता है करने. तो जो आ जाता है वो ठीक है, नहीं तो मैं खुद थोड़ी आता है.
Would you ever go to a girl and like tell her कि hey, I like you?
Have I done it?
Have you done it? झूठ तो मत बोलना.
हाँ, किया है, but कैसे किया? I'll tell you this thing that girls do. They let you know that they like you, but they won't tell you this, and they want you to go and say it. So I've done that, but I know कि वहाँ से the first thing, yes.
Personality or good look?
It depends on what you're looking for.
Yeah, what are you looking for?
Yeah, no, I'm not looking for anything. I'm just saying, in the long run, of course, personality.
और ना इतना बोलेंगे कि personality, जिसका चेहरा अच्छा हो उसका जाएगा.
ना, वो depend करता है ना कि what you're looking for. If you're looking for something serious, then definitely personality.
Short girls or tall girls?
By my history, short.
Girls with too much makeup or very less makeup?
I prefer less makeup, but you do you.
Thick girls or skinny girls? What do you prefer?
Both. It depends on the time.
Depends.
Like the preference changes.
I think mostly guys like
Thick girls.
Thick girls.
Yeah.
Do guys cry over girls if they're in a serious relationship?
No,
But guys don't cry.
I don't cry.
Can you answer? properly?
Yeah. They do.
Would you ever date your friend's ex?
You shouldn't.
You shouldn't.
And
but
if you have, forgive yourself and don't do it again. Okay?
would you do it?
No.
Would you do it?
Would as in the future tense, right? So no, I wouldn't do it.
Past में किया है.
नहीं.
Do guys wash their hands after coming from washroom? After peeing?
Yeah,
whatever.
I do, but
Guys are very unhygienic.
no, I do, but I have also lived in a boys' hostel, so I know that sometimes there's this code when in boys' hostels you can do specific things and not be guilty about them. So yeah,
Okay.
I do.
What do guys like more, cuddles or sex?
Cuddles, because I have never had sex.
Do you know what's a panty liner?
Kya? Is it like you draw your panty with it?
You don't know.
So,
You have no idea.
मतलब eyeliner but and you draw ना? I'll go check.
Okay, you can Google. Arey no, it's like thinner version of like regular pads. But do guys like PDA?
I don't. But sometimes they do to a limit. Yeah.
To a limit, it's okay.
Yeah.
तो ज़्यादा नहीं. You
Yeah.
don't like.
Yeah.
Would you ever marry a girl who earns more money than you?
Yeah, but would she? ठीक है, फिर से पूछ।
Thoughts on periods, and have you ever bought pad for any of your female friends?
Thoughts, it happens, it's natural, but yeah, no, I've never done that.
You never bought pads for her?
कोई ऐसा मतलब
But अगर ज़रूरी टाइम में कुछ ऐसे काम आया
तो of course I would, but ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं अभी तक, so yeah.
Okay.
It would be weird if I buy it for myself, so yeah.
Yeah. Who should pay on the first date?
Okay, so this might be controversial, okay?
Okay, controversial.
But hear me out.
I love controversial stuff.
I'm up for the woman paying on the second day, right? But listen, because
Second or first?
no, I'll explain this to you. But I just feel like out of courtesy, say if you're a guy, it's a big probability that you're going to ask her out. So out of respect for her, so you ask her out on dinner or lunch, right? So if you're the one who invited her, out of respect for her, you should pay. I don't have a problem if she pays in the second. Yeah.
So first date guys should pay.
No. If she wants to pay, sure, we'll
Okay, anyone, like it
Yeah,
doesn't
yeah.
really matter.
But this is what
हाँ,
I would prefer.
If you asked her out, तो मतलब you
Yeah,
don't mind paying.
yeah.
Okay. That's it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press on the bell notification for all the video updates, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye.
Bye.